Hey, Newbie Dan here. I posted a video a couple of days ago showing my DIY router lift for my plunge router. Some people asked if it would only work for plunge routers or if it could be modified for fixed routers. Not only can it work with fixed routers, but there's actually some advantages to using a fixed router instead of a plunge router. Stick around and I'll show you all about it. Make sure you watch my video on the plunge router lift first, or this video may not make a lot of sense. I haven't actually built this lift for fixed routers, but as you'll see, most of the lift is the same, so it should work just fine. For plunge routers, the carriage has a top panel that you attach your router to. For fixed routers, don't use the top. Instead, use a clamp. This is a typical clamping mechanism you see in a lot of DIY router lifts. It's two pieces of 3/4 inch plywood glued together, with a hole in the middle, cut into two pieces, and cut to your preferred shape. Carriage bolts and knobs are used to clamp the router in. You only attach the back of the clamp to the carriage sides, so the front can move freely as you tighten or loosen the knobs. One of the advantages of using a fixed router is you probably won't need a collet extension. With no top panel, the collet should be easily accessible from the top. In fact, you can probably pull the carriage right out of the table through the hole in the top. Of course, it all depends on your specific router and table. I uploaded a new SketchUp model for this version called Fixed Router Lift with Lever, so be sure to check it out for more information. Keep your eyes open for an announcement about a possible build video. For now, I wanted to get this out quickly to answer some questions. If you like what I do here, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell to get notified about new videos. Thanks!